Hello everyone, and welcome to the National Cooking Channel, Eat Well, Live Well. Today we're going to be doing an installment of our culinary tips series, which will be covering the process of how to blanch peaches. But first, if you're new to our channel or this is the first time viewing one of our videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe notification button, which is going to notify you whenever we release new video content to the channel. Now let's go into blanching those peaches. First off, we're going to need a large to medium sized pot. And we're going to add enough water that our peaches are 3/4 away submerged. And then we're going to use high heat to bring our water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, we're going to go ahead and add our peaches in. Once all our peaches are in, we're going to go ahead and stir it around for approximately 45 seconds. Next, we're going to prepare a medium-sized bowl with enough ice water to submerge our peaches in. Then we're going to go ahead and add our peaches to the ice water, and we're going to stir that around for approximately 45 seconds. Here we're going to take a peach, we're going to go ahead and take a knife, and we're going to cut a small slits at the very top of the peach until we have 4 slits on the top. And then we're going to take our thumb along one of the slits and we're going to peel it back. And we're going to keep repeating the process until we've completely peeled all the skin off of our peach. Once all the skin is removed, now we have a beautiful blanched peach. Next, we're going to go ahead and complete one of the cut all around the peach. And then we're going to go ahead and put both our hands together and kind of twist it and pull it apart. Then we're going to go ahead and remove our pit from the peach. Now our blanched peach is ready to be cut. Now we're going to take our knife from earlier and we're going to cut evenly across the peach into nice peach slices. And now once we're done, we have a beautiful bowl of perfectly cut blanched peaches that we can use any way we want to. We can add it to yogurt, we can make a peach pie out of it, we can just eat it right out of the bowl. Well, that concludes our culinary tip for the day. I hope you enjoyed blanching peaches as much as we did. Now if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe and notification buttons, which will notify you of our future releases. Now until next time, eat well, live well, and we'll see you in our next culinary tip or journey. Bye for now.